a visitor right now. The Algra family. Yeah. If- tama ba yun? Ad. Ate Jenny, ayan. Hello, Ate Jenny!
Hello. Musta?
Hello, good morning.
Good
How
morning.
is
Andito ako sa
saan?
nandito ako sa paggawa ng mga sasakyan.
Uy,
Ayan.
te,
Tapo ko dito.
ako ato nang isa ka kasakyanan diha. Kadaghan ba
Ayan.
nimong sakyanan?
Dili man ni sa kuha, oy. Tagalugan lang kay baluktot ko magbinisaya.
Hello, Carlos Larry. How are you? Thank you so much.
How's
Do
your
you
Christmas and
remember?
New Year?
Yeah, Sister Nita. Happy New Year, everyone. This is Jenny Algra. Yes, this is Jenny Algra. Remember Jenny Algra?
The
Yes.
Agra Family Vlogs.
Yes. Hello, Marty. Good
Hi, Carlos.
morning.
I'm Mati. Hi, Anita. How are you
Yes.
all? Happy New Year. Thank you. I'm not cute.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Ay, pwede mag-Tagalog. I'm so happy. Ay, mga English mo na silang nasa baba.
Mag-English ka na.
I'm so happy, I'm so Jenny is cute. Cute.
Cute di ay ko karon, agoy.
Oh,
Pasaway man ni
ayan.
Carlos.
Yes, Sister Nita, Happy New Year. Marty, Happy New Year. Yes, no. I'm so happy. Yes, I'm so happy inviting Ate Jenny Algra, no, the Algra family vlogs, no, because before we're doing some, kagwang-kagwang in my live stream, and now because we are so busy, no, our life
Oh
is
my
so
God.
busy. Our life is so busy. So, but now we have time, no, at least 30 minutes, chika chika
Yeah.
here. And you guys also can, you can leave comment or you can leave question also. Question. Oy, ate. Oy, ate. Ang ganda ng kalo.
Ganda nga ang kalo ko eh.
Oh, ganda ng kalo mo. Thank you. Oy, guys. Breakfast tayo. Breakfast tayo.
What is your breakfast, Miss Christy? What do you have there?
Ah,
Can you share with us?
ah, fried talong.
Fried eggplant. Yum.
Yes, and also chicken. Yeah,
Chicken.
chicken.
Yum.
Yes, chicken.
What is the
Chicken. Yeah,
time?
it's so
What
yummy. And you tuslo, you dip in the
dip in soy sauce?
in the soy sauce.
Taslo, John. Oh my God.
Hi guys, 15 people watching us. Can you say
Thank
hello
you.
in the live stream? Thank you
Hello,
so
hello,
much.
hello. Um,
Yes. Okay.
what
You
is the
can also drop your YouTube channel link so that you can, be friends to all our friends in the live chat. Okay?
correct?
Kabalo pa ba? Ay, guys, don't forget also to thumbs up this live stream and don't forget also to visit my co-host this morning, the Algar Family Vlogs. Okay?
Hi,
Hello,
Lisa.
Brazil!
Good
Uy,
morning.
Good morning, host and co-host. Risa? Tama ba yan? Hello,
Rishab.
Yasin. Oh, Rishab. Kisa, Krish. Krish. Ayan.
Christy joined the
Hello.
Lakers.
Hello, Brazil. Yasen. Hello, Yasen. Hola, amigo. Oh my God. Risha host. Okay, Risha. Okay. Where are you from, Risha? Are you Pinoy? Are you Pinoy? Yeah, hola, Omega. You're a moderator now. You can check. our friends. Okay, Ate, how is your life? It's been 1 year now. We are not active on YouTube.
Um, how's my life? Is always busy looking after kids, farm, and probably on Wednesday. Oh,
Yeah.
Pinoy. Risha
Mm.
is a Pinoy.
Yeah.
And busy as normal. My kids have different activities, three of them. So I'm always occupied with my
Yeah.
time aside from home. But you can't combine the work and also family. It's very hard, but I keep tackling the way that I learn how to tackle them. But that's life. Can't complain.
Yeah. You are always a busy mama and a
Uh,
busy wife. No?
yeah,
Yeah.
always busy. I'd rather to
But
be
I'm
busy
but
than do
but
nothing.
but I'm happy with you, Ate, because you are a model now. Should
I-promote pa
I? Should
talaga
I?
yan.
Should I announce her?
No.
No, it's a
No.
secret pala. Sorry.
No, because
Mm.
people, when they said you're a model, straight away
Mhm.
they look at you in a TV, in a commercial, in a
No,
magazine. But I'm
no.
not yet. But I'm heading on that situation. At the moment, I'm only model and extra in a TV series or in website with different company. That's my model career. I
Oh
am a
yeah,
model.
yeah. Because a model, there are a lot of the classification.
Yeah,
Yeah, category
categories.
or classification. Yeah, but
So my
I
cate-
like that. I'm so
but
proud
at
of you.
but at the moment my classification or category is more on a website. I'm not yet
Mm.
on a magazine or on
Mm-mm.
a. Hopefully one day I'll be in a series, on a TV in Australia. But finger crossed.
Mm.
But I'm not on
Yeah,
that
I like it.
classification yet.
How I wish, how I wish one of this day you can have a
I'll be on a
billboard.
billboard. Yeah, you'll never
Yeah,
know.
yeah, we never know.
You'll never know. Finger crossed.
Yes, yes. I love beautiful girls in the Philippines. Oh, really? Loko-loko talaga to si Carlos, oh. Ayan.
Carlos, buwang ka ha?
Hi guys, don't forget to thumbs up this live stream. Yeah.
Don't
Naoy,
forget the
grabe kapoy
co-host.
naman ay mag-live tino sa una kay dili man kaapoy mag-live oy walwal ang ba na ako pero karon kay urag kapoy nday no kapoy day ako ginabuhat sa una ba. Mm.
Kapoy jud. It's not
Oo.
easy, especially if you don't have
Topic?
uh, a topic. But sometimes it's
Mm.
good if you don't have a topic because when you don't have a
Mm.
topic, you can tackle all different situations. You can ask a lot of
Mm.
questions, and I like that
Mm.
type of live streaming.
Mm.
I don't have a topic; it's just
Yeah.
spot on.
Yeah, it's very raw, no? No script at all. Yeah, no script at all. Hey,
And then
Risha. Risha, saan ka banda sa Pilipinas? Risha. Ang laki ng mukha ko, ate. Tingnan mo.
same
Parang
ako.
unfair naman. Ba't ang laki ng mukha
Laki-laki,
ko dyan? Ayan,
laki-laki na ng
ganyan.
face ko.
Ayan. Thank you ha for the thumbs up and those watching there on my live stream. Don't forget,
Ayusin mo yung
say
English
hello.
mo.
Yes, say hello in the live chat so that I can shout out you also. Kaya ako laging silent live ko kasi wala akong alam na topic.
It's
Ano
okay.
yung
You
Papa
don't
si
need to do
Blessed Michelle yan? Ate
baka.
Aga. Mm,
Baka.
mm.
Na-prank na naman tayo.
Oo, oo. Baka si Blessed Michelle yan, prank-prank lang yan sa atin dyan.
Oh, hayaan mo
Mm.
yan siya dyan.
Anong oras na ba dyan, ate, sa Australia? Anyway, guys, Ate Algar is in
10:59.
Australia. Ha?
10:59.
Ha? 10:59?
Yep,
Dito, 7 o'clock pa lang. 7,
7.
mag-8.
So
Oh,
3 hours.
mag-8.
Kasi
Mm.
summer 3
Mm.
hours. winter time,
Mm.
2 hours. It's a summer
So,
over here.
so malamig na ba diyan or mainit?
Mainit, as in super init.
As in?
Yep.
Pero mahangin,
Wala,
mahangin.
walang hangin. Steady.
Walang hangin.
Dry
Walang
ang
hangin.
summer dito, dry. Hindi
Hmm,
kagaya sa Pilipinas, may hangin minsan. Dito, minsan may hangin pero hindi palagi.
hmm. So by the way, ate, how did you celebrate your New Year together with your
Oh,
family?
yes, I did. How did I celebrate my New Year? I celebrate my New
Mm,
Year with my neighbor because I told them we want to have a quiet New Year, and then she asked us to come along to their house. So this
mm,
time I didn't
mm,
cook. She did
mm, mm.
everything, and only she asked is spring rolls, Filipino spring rolls, and I said, "Yep, I can do that. Not a problem." And
Yeah,
then
I love
I
it.
made mango float, which is I
Mm.
never done in my entire life, and she
Huh?
loves it. Yeah, she's a
Hmm?
Polish. She's from Poland,
Hmm? Yung palagi
and
mong palagi mong kasama sa vlog mo sa FB?
no,
Hindi?
this is
Mhm.
a neighbor,
Hmm.
Polish people. They're very nice,
Hmm.
and she did all the cooking. And I said, "Would you like me to help for cleaning dishes?" And she said, "No way, just sit down. This is your rest time." I said,
Loko ka
"I
tala
feel I feel so bored when I'm just sitting, do nothing." And she said, "You done a lot. Sit down." I said, "All right."
Mhm.
And then I can't help myself, so I stand up. I went to the kitchen, and she, "Shush, get out here, get out." And I'm falling asleep. And she said, "Don't fall you asleep."
Mm,
I said, "Why? It's not yet one
mm.
o'clock." I said, "I'm tired." And then what we did on New Year, before New Year,
Yeah.
I think 2 hours or 3 hours, we did question and answer. You guess what is the
Yeah.
answer?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then my kids were so shocked because I always did the right answer. And they said, "Mom, how did you know this answer? As you said, you
Hmm.
never go to school. How come you can answer this thing?"
Loko talaga 'no, 'pag sabihin mo, "We never go to school," but akala nila wala talaga tayong alam 'no?
Correct. Because I keep
Hmm.
telling to my children, I never went to school. I don't have any degree. My degree is just a mother.
Sobra pa yan sa degree. Ang sabi nito,
And then
"LeBron James is my favorite player." Ah, good for
LeBron.
you, Carlos. Hmm.
And
But
then
you're
it's
yes,
very fun
ate.
question because it's all about 18th century, 19th century, and then my kid said, "Mom, it showed the age."
Na ako ate wala talaga as in because there is our family during the New Year. So we need to settle muna. Wala as in ano lang simple lang salo-salo naming apat dito sa bahay. Ganyan lang,
Well, we
no.
never really intended to do anything on New Year because we just want to have a quiet time. And then
Hmm.
my neighbor
Yeah.
decided just to go to their place. So we went to their place and they did all the everything, the cooking, you cleaning, you name it. And I said, "You should not do
Mm.
that." And then he
Mm.
said, "Jenny, every time I come up to your place, you're always up because I always invite them to our place. I cook. I cook Filipino food
Because,
and she loves it.
masarap ka magluto siguro.
And she prepared a lot of food. And I said, "Why didn't you do this? And my kids don't eat this type of food." And she said, "I don't care. If they eat, they eat. If not, they not." And then my kids just
Hmm.
because they are very shy, so they eat them. I laugh.
Loka ka talaga, ate ba? Hi! Brother Rudy! Hello! Hola, hola, amigo! Kumusta? Happy New Year, everyone on the chat.
Ano kaya
Yung
ang
iba,
mangyayari kung
tingin-tingin
magpinto
lang.
tayo sa
Yung
live, no?
yes, yes. Ang saya natin before, no? Grabe, wala tayong mga
Baho,
obligasyon sa ating wala tayong
trabaho.
obligasyon sa ating sarili
Oh,
before. Bakit kaya
I miss
ganon?
your live streaming because you do the topic question and answer. I love it.
Yeah, yeah, but now I cannot. I'm nahihiya na ako magla-live stream ate. Parang wala na akong guts unlike before na grabe, bahala walang tao diyan, magla-live ako. Ngayon
I,
parang
I I always the same. I always do same thing. I do live even there's no watching. I still do my live streaming. I don't
Oy,
care.
we have Ate Algra, we have a visitor on the
Uh-huh.
chat. Let's
Guapa.
welcome Lisa, 67 Vlog. Hello, Ate Lisa. Happy New
Hello, Sis Risa. Happy
Year.
New Year.
Happy New Year. How is New Year in Canada? Parang nag-ice-ice na sila, Jude, ate.
Oo, sa Canada, ano ngayon is snow. Pag
No?
snow doon sa kanila, summer
Bakit,
naman sa amin.
bakit snow? Dapat December mag-snow sila, no? Iba na
Sa
talaga
kanila,
ngayon.
Pasko nila ano eh. Sa Europe, pag Pasko talagang winter. Kaya nga meron kantang I'm Dreaming with the White Christmas. Dahil
Gani.
snow sa kanila eh.
I really dream talaga na mag-dance-dance ako sa snow, kakain ako ng snow, yan. How I wish. Akala ko sabihin mo 60. Hoy, loko. Ito si Ate Lisa, Ate Jenny ba? Marami nang
Oh.
natutunan ng mga baliw-baliw. Okay?
Oo nga, hindi na
Marami
nga
na
yun.
siyang natutunan
Hindi
na
pa yun.
baliw-baliw.
Ano na ito siya, Bulgaran na to siya eh. Direct to the point na to siya.
Bulgar.
Hindi na yan tahimik eh.
Oh, ano na yan siya, ate? A queen of live stream. Queen of
Sinabi mo
live.
pa.
Oh. Queen of live stream na yan.
Nangaapay pa yan sa live
Ate
stream.
Lisa, kain tayo. Queen of live stream. Ay, 67. 69. Uy, ba't na 69? 67, manggod na, ate. Yan. Oy, thank you for the love, Brother Carlos. Oy, Ate Algra. Ate
Ano?
Algra,
Oh.
sunduin mo ako sa airport sa Australia.
What time, when? Which airport? Maraming airport dito. Saan ba ang destination mo?
Ay, marami pang airport dyan. Akala ko isa lang yung airport.
Kung papupunta ka lang dapat sa Baliw. Pag pupunta ka ng
Sabi ni,
Melbourne, dalawa.
sabi ni Ate Lisa, oh, sikat na ako, oy. Nga, sikat ka na.
Congrats.
Mahal na
Congrats
yung
na,
talent
Risa.
fee mo, oy.
Mahal na talaga talent fee niyan.
Oo, hindi na tayo pwede maka-invite ng libre sa live stream niyan kasi mahal na talent fee niyan.
Mahal na talaga talent fee niya.
Ano yung 819 Yahoo?
Ewan ko kung ano yung 8/19.
Ano yan?
Ano ang
Oy,
pinagagawa nito?
kumusta na yung
Marunong
mga
na siya.
friendship natin?
Marunong na
Ano yan, ate?
mag-slash si Lisa, oh. 8/19. Ano kaya ibig sabihin yan?
Ano kaya yan?
Meron na itong nalalamang
Ate,
8/19.
maka
Hindi ba
1,000 views
6/7?
tayo ngayon. Feeling ko maka 1,000 views tayo sa live na to.
Oh, I wish.
Ayan. Ano yung 8/19 ate?
19.
Ano yan ate? Ano yan pang ano namin? Pinaskuhan na mo.
Sige, padala mo dito si Lisa.
Ay, ate Lisa, baka naman, baka may sabon kami dyan. Pasabon pala, pasabon. Ayan.
Sis
Uy, Ate
Lisa,
Jenny, ang ganda ng
bag
mga
lang sa
bulaklak
akin.
mo. Ate
Bulaklak.
Jenny, ganda ng bulaklak
Papunta
mo.
dyan. Lanta na, patay na.
Risha, si BMB siguro yan, ate.
Siguro.
Feeling ko si BMB. Si Waray, hindi na siya active sa YT.
Hindi ko alam. Active pa rin siguro, pero hindi kasi ako lagi sa nag-YouTube.
Ako din.
Naloka ako
Post lang ako,
sa
pero
TikTok, Instagram, at saka Facebook.
yan, di ba? Nagkakaano ka na, ate? Nagkaka-income ka na sa
Sa
Facebook?
ano lang, Diyos ko, $2, $3, $4, $5.
Saglit lang. Paabutin mo na 100. At ibigay mo sa akin, pag 100 na, $100, ibigay mo sa akin. Ano sabi?
I'll take Jenny out for dinner.
Jenny out to dinner.
I'm too
Wow.
expensive, Carlos. If you were taking me out for dinner, I'll tell you where we're going, and you will hate me.
Wow.
And my kids, By the way,
Mm.
Carlos, I'm not single. I'm already a mother. I got a husband. So sorry. If I'm single, I would suggest take me out for dinner. You come here. Or I'll go to your place. Send me a plane ticket, back and forward, and I tell you where we're
Mhm.
going. You won't regret if you
Okay.
will meet me in person. But the thing is, I'm already married. Sorry.
Only BMB is not married, Brother
Yep,
Carlos.
BNB is
Mm.
not married. Free
Yeah.
anytime. Just
Free.
send the plane ticket.
Okay. Sabi ni ate, I mean, 8 likes and 19 people.
Marunong na
Okay.
siya ng 8/19 ha.
Oo,
Wow,
oo,
bago
marami
to
na
ha.
talaga siyang natutunan. Grabe. Christy not married. Oh my goodness. I'm married, Carlos. But you can
Sabi
take
ni
me
Sis
a
Lisa,
dinner. But very, I'm so expensive also. Hoy, joke lang. Hoy, joke. I'm
"Oy
joking,
Carlos, we're
guys.
joking nga Carlos. Just big
Joking lang
smile.
talaga.
We're
Okay.
joking."
Baka mabash tayo nito. Mag 1 million views ito. Ay, nako. Ate Lisa. Ate Lisa, Happy New Year.
Wala,
Ate Alga,
tahimik na Sis
anong
Lisa.
pinaayos mo sa sasakyan mo?
Pinalitan yung 4 na gulong tapos wheel alignment. Pag pinapalitan yung gulong ng
Alignment.
sasakyan mo, 'di ba yung nagtatabi-tabingi yung
Oo.
yung
Kailangan,
alignment nila. Kailangan
oo,
pag nagpalit ka ng gulong, i-wheel alignment diretso.
mm,
Para hindi
oh.
maghiwi-hiwi pag nag-drive ka.
Oh, yan yung ginagawa ni Lester. Siya ang nagapa-wheel alignment. Oy, tomorrow, magpakabait ka, ano?
Hindi,
Magpakabait
oy
ko
to,
tomorrow.
kasi tawag niya na Tom and Jerry. Oy to, magpakabait ka, no?
Oy, Tom. Ay, akala ko tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Ay, nako, marami na talaga ako hindi alam. Oy, Tom, magpakabait ka, ano? Sino yung
Lagi
Tom?
naman ako mabait ha, Sis Lisa.
The lady in black is very beautiful. Who is? Kasi may lady in black dere. Ha? Lady in black.
Sige
Ano
to,
black?
lady in black is very beautiful.
Sana all. Hello, Earth. How are
With black
you?
hair. Oh, ikaw yan, with black hair.
With black hair. Thank you so much. Can you
Wala
give
na
me
akong
a
black hair.
thumbs up? Oh my God. Where you from? Both of you. That is. Yeah. Both of us
Thank
is
you.
beautiful.
I don't have
Because
black hair, so gray hair.
she is my big sister. Earth. Where you from? Where you from, Earth? If you don't mind.
From Earth talaga.
Uy, malapit na tayo, ate. Malapit na
Yes, 6
tayo.
minutes to go.
No, yeah. I'm from US. Oh, we're in US. We're in US. Ba't ang laki ng mukha ko dito? Eh, sana, dapat malayo. Palayo natin. Layo natin. Yun yung mga sikreto eh. Yan, layo natin. Ayan. Oh, diba?
Bakit
I'm
natatakot
from
ka kung malaki yung
Venus.
face mo, yung fislak mo? Ako nga,
Ano
laki-laki ng
ate?
pislak ko. Laki-laki ng
Hindi,
pislak
uy,
ko.
ano lang, maliit ang feslak mo sa akin, ang laki. Mm. Mm. Ay, Ate Lisa, me from Earth. Ate Lisa, marami ka nang natutunan ng mga baliw-baliw, ha?
Pasaway na yan si Sis Lisa. Ang kulit-kulit na yan sa
Oo.
live niya. Pag manood ka ng live
Yeah.
niya, ang kulit-kulit.
Mm. Mm. Saan
Marunong na
kaya
yan
niya
siya maglagay
nagmana?
ng music niya. Magaling na yan siya.
Marunong na siya. Mm.
Naniningil na yan ng mga member niya. As in, live
As
broadcast pa.
in, as in,
Pasaway.
talaga. Grabe si Ate Lisa, ha?
Wala na, naiwan
Yan.
na tayo ni Sis Lisa.
Yes. Oo, naiwan na tayo. Siya na ang, anong tawag nyo natin? Yung the best na, the best na, anong tawag niyan? the best word ba nga ma-describe sa iyaha?
Siya
Nakalimot
kung
ko na
ano
sa
tawag
dila.
yan, very progressive yan siya.
Ay, ay, ay,
Achiever,
ah.
achiever
Mm,
na progressive pa. O saan ka pa diyan?
mm.
Wala kang ano,
Yeah,
wala kang itutulak, wala kang ikakabig, lahat na lang. O 'di ba?
yeah. Mm.
Proud na proud tayo sa
Before,
kanya eh.
yeah. Before mahiya-hiya pa, pero ngayon hindi na, no?
Wala na,
Mm.
direct to the point pa yan siya magsalita sa live streaming niya.
Mm, 'di ba?
Mana
Al
sa'yo.
Wala na talaga tayo, ate. Kumbaga, napag-iwanan na talaga tayo sa
Oo,
world ni
ganyan,
YT.
ganyan naman talaga sa ano, mundo ng social media. Minsan
Yeah.
active tayo, minsan hindi. Kasi hindi
Mm.
naman yan yung ano natin eh, yung ating trabaho para kumita.
Yeah,
Yan
yeah.
ay ating, some of that is libangan, some of that
Mm.
yung makaroon tayo ng mga kaibigan.
'Di ba? Yeah.
Hindi dahil sa nag-social media ka ang focus mo kumita. Mag-share ka
Yeah,
ng
yeah.
mga info, 'di ba?
Mm.
Yan ang
Yeah.
purpose ng social media kasi yung social media nasa sayo yan kung paano mo yan gagamitin.
Mm, mm.
Maraming taong
Yeah,
masisira
totoo.
ang personalidad nila dahil sa social media pero marami ding tao na makakatulong tayo dahil
Yeah.
sa social
Mm.
media. So
Mm.
nasa tao
Totoo.
yan kung paano nila gagamitin ng social media.
Mm. Yeah, yeah. You're right, Ate Algra. Yeah. Sometimes
Kasi
yung social media nakakatulong sa iba, no?
mm,
And sometimes din nakakaano,
nakakasakit ng damdamin,
yeah,
nakakasira.
especially when, yeah, especially when you cannot, you cannot handle your emotion talaga. No? Isa talaga 'yan.
Kasi
Yes.
tao lang tayo nagkakamali kaya nga sabi, in social media, some people they would like us, they would love us, and some people they don't like us. So
Yeah,
in
yeah, yeah.
reality, it's not only in social media, in real life, may mga
Yeah.
taong may gusto sa atin, may mga taong ayaw sa atin. So nasa sayo yan kung paano mo i-handle yung sarili mo. Pero once nasa
Mhm.
social media ka, ihanda mo talaga yung sarili mo kasi
Yeah.
50% talaga diyan may taong ayaw sa'yo. Kahit
Mhm.
anong gawin
Yeah.
mong mabuti, kahit anong gawin mong discussion, may tao talagang ayaw sa'yo. Yan ang
Yeah,
social media.
that's that's the reality. Yeah, that's the reality. Kahit sa ating light nga, kahit sa ating
Oo,
ano lang, in our community nga eh, ganyan din. How much more
social
na
media.
nationwide, na worldwide, no? Ang
The world is
nakakaano sa'yo.
watching what you're talking, what you're
Yeah, yeah,
doing, your reaction, your
yeah,
comments.
yeah. Mm-mm.
Kaya kailangan
Yeah.
talaga pag social media ka, before you say something, you think it always.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
one
yeah,
words,
that's
one
true.
mistake reflect to your
Mhm.
personality.
Yeah, that's true. And isa din 'yan 'no, yung ano, yung anong tawag nun ate, nalimutan ko, uy. Parang seryoso natin 'no, nalimutan ko ba. Maganda sana yung i-ano ko, i-follow up na ano ba, na message. Nakalimutan ko, uy. Ay, ano na talaga ako ngayon, yeah. 'Di ba, but anyway, yeah. I'm so glad talaga, no, how many times ko talaga sinabi dito, no, during my live stream na I'm so lucky na to meet a lot of friends here in
Yeah,
YT, no, different people, no,
yeah. Different
different
people, different
races.
character.
Yeah, different character, yeah. Because ano man tayo, hindi man tayo talaga same ano. So, tama yung sinabi ni Ate Jenny na it's up to you how to, how to
How you use your
accept,
social
how
media,
to
accept.
manage. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah,
Kasi
sabi ni Risha, normal lang yan if they like you, thanks. If not, thanks po. Thanks pa din. Yeah,
siyempre,
okay.
whether we like it or not, mag-thanks talaga tayo kasi tayo
Mm,
yung pumasok dun eh.
mm, mm.
Kaya
Yeah.
respect ko yung ibang tao ng ayaw ng social media, ayaw ng kahit ano kasi
Mm,
ayaw nila ng ano, ma-criticize sila kasi masakit
yeah.
sa damdamin yung na-criticize ka eh.
Mhm.
Kahit
Yeah, yeah,
sa
yeah.
kahit ayaw natin 'pag na-criticize tayo kahit anong ano, ayaw talaga natin
Mhm.
kasi normal lang naman
Yeah,
'yan.
yeah. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Ate Jenny, to wrap up our live stream.
Yeah.
So what can you say? This, 2026, this year 2026, sana maganda ang pasok ng blessing, no? No, mga
One thing
opportunities.
One
Yes.
thing I can tell, you need to find your opportunities. If it's
Yeah.
in front of you, you grab it, whatever it
Yeah.
takes, and you need to think
Yeah.
twice before you do something.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it.
And
Yeah, I like
appreciate
it.
and thankful and be humble every day, no matter what.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Ate Algra. No, so, guys, our live stream it is a short live stream only
Yep, short
because,
only,
yeah,
guys.
because
Well,
we
thank
have,
you.
yeah. I'm so, before I will end my live stream, I want to thank you, my co-host this morning, no, Ate Jenny,
Thank
the
you.
Algar Family Vlog. So, thank you so much, Ate, for this kind of chika chika
Yes,
minute. Yeah,
too. Thank you for
yes,
inviting
yeah.
me.
Yeah,
And
of
thank you to all
course.
our viewers, all the chat
Yeah.
people down there.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us for our short live streaming together.
Stream
Thank you, my
together.
host, my guwapa
Yes.
host. Thank you,
Welcome.
Sis Lisa. Big shout out to all of you. Hindi na isa-isahin
Yeah.
lahat kayo. Pero number one,
Yeah.
si Sis Lisa.
Yeah. Ate Liza, thank you for watching
Thank you.
us. Our beautiful faces here. And also Brother Carlos.
Yeah, Brother Carlos, thank
Yeah,
you.
all of you guys. Yeah, all of you joining or watching my live stream this morning. Thank you. And we want to say
Bye
bye-bye.
bye. Thank you.
Have
Bye.
a good
Bye.
day. God bless everyone.